I'm Tony Boshold, two-time North American ice fishing champion and gold medalist with Team USA. Are you coming to Lake of the Woods? You coming to my favorite spot, Riverbend Resort? Well, come with me. I have some tips for you. Here, I want to talk to you about the combos that you're going to be using or want to bring up here and the different type of setups you'll be fishing with. So this one here is a medium rod, 30-inch. It's great for inside the house here. I've got, that one is my jigging rod right here. Got my dead stick rod. That one's got the hair jig on it with the noodle tip. Those are set up with 4-pound test. And you can see it gives really good when they take it on that dead stick. And that's the 34-inch light glass rod. And then of course I've got some throwback rods here if I want to try different stuff, and it's a great way to cover a lot of different ground. So this is my heaviest setup. It's got 8-pound for the big stuff here, and that's a medium action 30-inch. This one here is a medium 24-inch. It's the Legend, and this one is set up with 4-pound also. Those are just some different combos you'll be able to bring or want to be prepared to, so you can try different things. When the fish are coming up and refusing you, you want to be able to reel up and throw something else down while those fish are here. They're going to school up and come through every so often, and when they're there and you're not getting bit, you need to reel up and change stuff frequently if you don't have a lot of people with you testing different colors and different baits. So you want to have it all ready to go and be able to drop back down something different and give them a new look and see if they want that. You can try a tail, a head, a whole minnow, you can try a horizontal bait. You can try a vertical bait like the spoon I've got here. You can try like just a plain treble and split shot on the dead stick, or any kind of variety of things. Here I've got a tungsten, and I've been tipping this with a minnow tail. Just being able to switch it up and figure out some colors and things a little faster by having it all ready and having it ready to go to drop it down and test different things when them schools keep coming through.